So we have some, just came back, all the fruits we are missing quite a bit. So we will, yeah, there are some still. Oh, that cherry tomato is so good. Let me enjoy this one. And I have, I think we have one cucumber. Oh, this is just a perfect cucumber. Oh, there is a small one. This is a perfect cucumber. I will make a tzatziki with it. Okay, let's take it out. And this cucumber is a little bit too old. What a pity. Now we get this one. Spiky. Look at it. Okay, let me first enjoy cutting the cucumbers. Oh, looks so good. Maybe you want to zoom in, right? Oh, a little bit too seedy, but family eating, this is not the end of the world. I am not cooking for a star restaurant, a Michelin restaurant. So some of the material not so good is not the end of the world. Nothing better than fruit from home. Don't you agree? And that beautiful bowl. Some salt, some pepper. Time to say hello. Hello. You know, this time in France, we bought new hello. But Queen Qing is out of production. She's no longer produced by Alessi. So we are running out of it. We got something a little bit different. Hello, there is nothing here. There is some pepper, another color of pepper, red pepper, and just let it marinate. For a couple of minutes, and now I need to get my fines herbes. My family just bought some fines herbes. Okay, we will use a little bit of this. I think that is sufficient, this amount. Clean it, dry it. Oh, that's a lot, actually, but doesn't hurt. This way it's relatively pure. Ciboulette. I am going to get some little chive. Oopsie daisy. That's our ciboulette. And tarragon, estragon, Okay, not so amazing. Okay. It's okay if I do not have. Not the end of the world. Is this a joke? The rest is all dead because we were traveling, summer break, so it must be more refined, the taste. And there is some juice, and I feel it's okay because my yogurt is drained and drained quite much. So it does, it's okay with some little bit of moisture there. Okay, now I need to walk around with a tripod. It's not very convenient. Now let's take a look at the yogurt. Okay, now let's take a look at the yogurt we made. I made the yogurt. So here is the yogurt pot, as you can see. And this is the drained yogurt. Maybe another one. It feels a little bit too moist. I will give it some other time to keep on. Tonight or tomorrow it will be good. And this is 2 days. That one, this one is 1 day. Oh no, not even 1 day. 5 hours or something. And this one is overnight. See, it's so much more condensed. Now you make tzatziki with it. It will have a much better texture. Not too much. We cannot finish, then it's not good. With some water of the juice of the vegetable, that is good. Cucumber juice. Some people like to put salt, pepper, garlic, onion, your choice. Personally, I am not a fan of garlic and onion. Sometimes I do put, majority of the time. When I have good sense, I do not put too much of that. That is it. On the serving, this goes well with bread as a dipping. Look at it, it's so good. Just leave it aside like this, simple and easy. And the best part is that I enjoy cutting. I like cut vegetables, I like cut cucumbers, and this is my absolute joy to do. Bon appetit. Okay, as much as I can. So put into a little bowl like this. Press the middle. Put some pepper, olive oil, and sumac. Obligatoire. Oh, where's sumac? Obligatoire. Look at it. That's how we do it. A little bit too full, right? I can make it a little bit pretty. Not so good. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Gulu gulu. Bye, yeah. Bye 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 bye.